The state health department confirmed 5 cases of whooping cough on Oahu. All 5 are part of the same family, all unvaccinated. One of their children even had to be hospitalized. The family traveled from the mainland and stayed at a hotel on Oahu. The state and CDC are now notifying travelers and others who may have been exposed. And especially since whooping cough is a highly contagious respiratory infection caused by bacteria. It can cause severe coughing fits, followed by a high-pitched whoop sound when you breathe in. The state's last confirmed whooping cough case was nearly a year ago, and the best way to protect yourself and your loved ones is to stay up to date with recommended whooping cough vaccines.